born in the 90s, right? Like I've seen Kajol and Shah Rukh Khan
Yeah.
run towards each other in slow motion.
Yeah.
And the best friend, and that also a girl, I'll feel very like, yeah, like I would think that your best friend is your partner also.
Yeah.
Like, why would you have another best friend
Exactly.
of the same gender? In हमारे ज़माने का जो time था, I think in the 90s they also were quite confused कि हमें किस type का love चाहिए. And वो tension देता है आपको. तो if everyone likes everyone, you're like, oh, thank God.
Hi, this is Anna and you're watching me on Movie Fight. आज की जो हमारी गेस्ट हैं उनको मैं थोड़ा इश्क विश्क प्यार व्यार से स्वागत करने वाली हूँ. Let's welcome the gorgeous Naila.
Thank you, Anna. Nice.
How are you?
I am very happy. I'm very happy to meet you. I'm very happy to be in this beautiful office on a rainy day and can't wait to chat.
ये रेनी डे पे घर बैठना ज्यादा पसंद आता है.
घर बैठ के चाय पकौड़े का अलग मजा होता है.
वही अलग मजा है, but ठीक है आज हम थोड़ा काम कर लेते हैं.
Yes.
But it's fun.
It's fun.
It's fun.
Chatting.
Yeah.
So it's always fun.
So people are loving Riya. They are.
Thank you.
So I want to know. So Ishq Vishk Rebound is a sequel, right? Now I want to know. It's नए ज़माने का प्यार. वो दिखा रहे हैं नए ज़माने का प्यार. I want to know who is Naila. नए ज़माने का प्यार, old school type की modern love.
Nice. So interestingly, neither is it a sequel or a remake, which I love. They've just kind of taken forward the franchise, but not had any similarities as such with the previous one,
Yeah.
which is I think very important. Because my thinking is that अगर आपको इश्क विश्क देखना है, तो ऊंची इश्क विश्क,
Yeah.
then आप OTT में जाके देख लीजिए.
Yes.
You know? But if you want to see new age love, then you have Ishq Vishk Rebound.
Of course.
And I feel like a lot of movies today haven't really depicted Gen Z love.
Yeah.
So I'm just glad to be a part of something that's kind of showcasing audiences a new perspective on love. That being said, am I a old school romantic? Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so I am like I'm born in the 90s, right? Like I've seen Kajol and Shah Rukh Khan
Yeah.
run towards each other in slow motion.
Yeah.
And I've seen Kajol's hair flying in slow motion and her sari going in one direction and falling in love.
Yeah.
So for me, my ideas of love started by watching these beautiful Bollywood films where love was depicted in such a passionate way.
Yes.
Now, of course, the way love is expressed is very different. But in my heart, I am a traditionalist. I still see love in that way.
We got the answer. Naila is an old school romantic kind of person.
Yes, for sure. That's what I connect with the most. मैं ये आज
Actually.
के ज़माने की चीज़ें नहीं कर सकती.
नहीं होती है. मैं हूँ नहीं 90s से, मैं Gen Z हूँ, but I like old school.
Which is why, I thought कि my character Riya, she is a headstrong girl. She knows what she wants, and I feel like Gen Zs today are like that. They're like you. Like
Yeah.
they know what they want.
Yeah.
They're not as confused and lost. Not all of them.
Yeah.
I think a lot of them know what they want, and they know what kind of love they want. Which I
Exactly.
feel even in हमारे ज़माने का जो time था, I think in the 90s they also were quite confused कि हमें किस type का love चाहिए. Whereas I feel Gen Zs today are aware. They know that okay, I'm looking for this in my partner.
We have everything calculated. कि ये होना चाहिए. हाँ. ये होना चाहिए. ये नहीं है चल ठीक है नहीं बात करते हैं आगे नहीं बढ़ाते हैं. उसका भी टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होगा, मेरा भी नहीं होगा.
Correct.
This is the mindset today. But ठीक है, old school love होना important है.
Yeah, I think so.
Talking about relationships, I have a segment for you. It's called Ishq or Risk.
Nice, cute. Or risk.
So I am going to shoot in some questions. You have to tell me, is it ishq for you or is it risk for you?
Okay, cool.
ठीक है?
Nice.
He's a 10 on 10. He does everything for you. Perfect. But he doesn't like when you make guy friends.
That's a hard one, but maybe that's a risk. That's like a we need to communicate and understand
Yeah.
why. Because I feel like even maybe he's coming from a place where he's been insecure about it, maybe in the past by someone he's dated. So maybe ये communication के through आपको उनका जो apprehensions है उनको सुधारना पड़ेगा. You need to communicate that okay, you're not coming from a place where you want to flirt with other guys. You might just have friends, or you might have work friends, and that's totally okay.
Totally. So if after all those conversation अगर वो फिर से करता है तो फिर वो बड़ा रिस्क है.
Correct. Definitely. Then he's a
Okay. He remembers all little details about you.
That's cute. That's an edge.
Ish.
That's very good. That means that he's listening, he's aware, he's interested in your
Yeah.
life. So it's a niche.
It's cute. थोड़ा मुश्किल है मिलना but
बहुत मुश्किल
मिल जाएगा मिल जाएगा.
मिल जाएगा. सब लोग बहुत मिलेगा.
He has a girl best friend.
Oh, I know everyone says that's okay, but for me that might be a risk. I don't know. I just feel like my partner should be my best friend. How can I have another best friend and that also a girl? I'll feel very like a lot of tension.
Very risky.
You know?
बहुत risky.
So then risky.
क्योंकि लड़कियां इतनी प्यारी होती हैं. अगर वो गर्ल बेस्ट फ्रेंड बन जाएंगी तो फिर वही गर्लफ्रेंड बन जाएंगी.
Yeah, like I would think that your best friend is your partner also.
Yeah.
Like, why would you have another best friend
Exactly.
of the same gender?
True.
You should talk to me about your
हाँ.
problems. नहीं.
सारी चीजें इधर आनी चाहिए.
हाँ, correct. That's a risk.
लड़के दोस्त बनाओ या जितने बनाने बनाओ.
आप लड़कों से फ्रेंडशिप रखो, लड़कियों से.
Boys night out, we don't mind.
Correct.
Go. When you're stuck at what are we zone?
I think that's a risk because I've experienced that in the past and I've realized that वो सिर्फ आपका time pass कर रही है,
Seriously.
which is not worth it.
Yeah, it's not. One last इस वाले segment का question is when he treats your family like his own.
Oh, that's lovely-ish.
इश्क बहुत प्यारा. ये
Yeah,
मिल जाएगा.
then you feel like if he likes your family and your family likes him, then you feel like chalo, it's good, everyone's happy.
Yeah.
So you feel very like happy about the situation. Like, it's always eating in your head that my parents don't
Yeah.
like him or he doesn't like my parents. And वो tension देता है आपको. So if everyone likes everyone, you're like, oh, thank God.
Lovely. I have one. I want to know what went behind the scenes इश्क विश रिबाउंड में. मुझे सारे सीक्रेट्स जानने हैं, इनसाइडर जानने हैं.
नहीं, हम रोज लड़ते थे, हम ये नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. The complete opposite. We literally had such a blast with each other. हम ना same age group के हैं सब. तो हंसी मजाक का लेवल सेम, मीम्स हम सेम टाइप के भेजते हैं जो we know the other person is going to find really funny.
Yeah.
खाने का style, everything is the same. So I think it was just like it really felt like four friends are coming together to make something that they love making, which is the movies.
Yeah.
We all love the movies.
Absolutely.
And we used to, and I think the best thing, which I was also saying in another interview, is that it's hard to find co-actors and co-stars you're working with who are very real and organic with you. And that's what I found with my three co-stars, Rohit, Kushmina and Gibran. If they felt like there's something that I should improve upon, then they would say it, and vice versa. They would cheer you on for your victories, and they would let you know about things that they feel like you can improve upon. And I feel like that's a sign of strong friendship.
Absolutely.
So I think that we formed a strong bond, and I hope it continues.
Actually, because when we see you guys together, it feels like एक वो group होता है college में एकदम हंसी मजाक करने वाला. You guys give that feeling. एकदम openly सब करने वाला. That is very good. I think it will obviously continue, of course. One crazy memory from the sets of Ishq Vish Rebound.
Crazy memory which I keep going back to is when every day after we finished our shooting, we would go to Rohit's room because we were shooting in Dehradun in Mussoorie. So we were all staying in the same hotel, and we would go to Rohit's room at the end of the day and order garlic naan and dal makhni.
Yum.
And we would just sit and eat really greasy, delicious food and just talk about our day. And I feel like that was the best part because we could just bounce off all our ideas, the good things, the bad things with each other. And it used to really feel relaxing at the end of the day when you go to bed, thinking that you have co-stars who you can just be free and honest with.
Yeah, it sounds like therapy to me.
Yeah, it really was.
Who was the funniest on the set?
Oh, they all are actually very funny. Which I'm like, I was not expecting all three of them and myself to be funny. But I think Gibran's the most like prankster type. So I think he was like always funny.
Did he do any prank on you?
No, but he did one on Pashmina. He
Uh-huh.
scared her like crazy.
Oh my
And it
god.
was a location that was quite scary.
What did he do?
He came in full costume at 2 a.m. at night and it was like a jungle and andhera. And then boo boo वो सब डराया उसने 3-4 लोगों को और plant किया.
Oh my god.
So she got really startled.
Shit. You got saved.
Gibran can always prank you. Maybe.
So we loved you in Ishwish Rebound. What is next for Naila?
What is next for me is, of course, there is Mamla Legal Hai Season 2 that I can talk about. And I am working on a couple of things, but I can't reveal it right now. But
Sure.
I can just say that you'll be seeing a lot more of me in a lot more characters and in a lot more projects. And I can't wait.
I am excited. Now you made me excited. Curious kar diya.
Yeah. But we'll
But
have
ठीक
another
है.
fun
Of
session.
course we will. Soon, super soon. But it was lovely speaking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I had a blast.